Hey friends, I'm so excited to share my latest painting with you, inspired by autumn. It's totally on trend right now. This piece is made with materials provided by Mother Nature, and the best part is, it's super accessible to everyone. I'll guide you through simple steps that are perfect for beginners. Let's get started. First, I draw a horizontal line right in the middle of my canvas, just by eye, to help me with the placement. Then I use a palette knife to spread some titanium white on the top part of the canvas. Oh, I totally forgot to use anything other than my palette knife. It was actually part of the plan, but I forgot. But you can easily use a regular kitchen knife or even a pastry spatula. Both work just as well. The idea here is to rely as little as possible on specialized art tools. Here I'm mixing yellow ochre with white. I'd suggest using a bit more white since yellow ochre is really pigmented. I'm going for something light and soft right from the start. So here, I'm going just above the middle line, moving a little higher. This will give a soft, misty effect to the background. The colors should really blend into each other nicely. Now, just a little below the middle, I add some yellow ochre with a touch of black to darken the bottom of the canvas, which will represent the earth. Be careful with the black, it's really strong. I'm going for a deep brown, kind of like Van Dyke brown for the background. And here it is, the best part of my painting. It was my first time painting the tree and leaves using materials from Mother Nature. It's so nice to work the way our ancestors did. There's really something special about this technique. It's good for the soul. Here, I take a moment to refine the branch with the knife, and I test its flexibility to see how it will paint. And honestly, I'm really loving the result. Here, I'll be using the 3 metallic colors, along with a bit of black, to create a dark gold as the base for the leaves in the background of the canvas. And here, I apply this mixture with a tree leaf, gently tapping it onto the canvas, moving the leaves towards the left, towards the white part at the top, and towards the dark part at the bottom, near the earth, just like in the video. Here, I'm using a small branch and some fluid black paint to create the tree trunk. It's not about making it perfect. A few small bumps on the sides, nothing too heavy, just gives the piece a more natural vibe. Now, I'm getting my 3 metallic colors ready to add some shine to the leaves. I'll layer them over the base leaves I created with the tree leaf, just to give it that extra depth and texture. Before painting the leaves with the branch, I wet my brush, dip it in black, and splash some black dots along the trunk to give the piece a little more energy and life. Here I'm starting to paint the leaves with a small tree branch, layering from the darkest paint to the lightest. I scatter the different metallic colors all over to create a vibrant textured foliage. I scatter some of the metallic colors down the trunk and onto the ground as well. And that's a wrap for this painting tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. A huge thank you for all your subscriptions, comments, and shares. It truly means the world to me. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy every step of the process. Can't wait to see you again for more creative adventures, and most importantly, have fun with it. Bye. Take care.